I be first class graduate. I collect first class for uni in a plane sheet. But look at my life now. I can't even afford first class ticket in a plane seat.
The Chronicles of Ushbebe live in Lagos. Yadadi 25.
Thank you, DJ. Thank you. Thank you now. Then give me 5 minutes. One kid is small career. We just they start. Ladies and gentlemen, if you know say you don't cheat on your partner on Valentine's Day, round of applause for yourself. See them, then they lie. See as they did. All of them they lie finish. Allah the more. My name is Bright Cosmos Ifnaya, and I mean they call the other younger brother of Burna Boy. Where Burna Boy no know. For this comedy industry, now maybe the comedy last born, and my stage name na Burna Mouth. Baba, he get this woman for my compound. Her name na Perpetua. Anytime anybody make a verse, in 2 weeks time, that person will make a verse go die. November, this woman they pass. One man get my pour water. You know reach 2 weeks. This man will pour this woman water die. December, landlord get mine. Say one increase last rent. Say this woman go pay. She say I no fit pay. Landlord say you go pack out. You know reach 2 weeks. Landlord say, ladies and gentlemen, that woman na my mother. If I crack joke this night, you no laugh. All of our will no laugh. In 2 weeks, all of our go. I beg na Joko. Baba, Nigeria now just stay anyhow. Nigeria now just stay perhaps. Everybody they pass through a lot. Last week I flashed my destiny helper. The guy blocked me. Everybody just they pass through one thing or the other. Dispatch rider where they send, may go deliver surprise package to person babe on Valentine's Day. Dispatch rider get mine, carry the 5 Valentine gifts run. As I'm talking to you now, both who send them and the girl and me where they give you reports, all of us they surprised. Baba, the country, everything just they have to see me. Guys, any girl wait if your polo now no gree or collect them. I go price polo for Mandela. They say polo 45k. I don't know when I swear for the vendor. Say now God go punish you. He said buy my round neck. I say which round neck? I know they like it. You go kill me. Ma buy polo 45k. Where my understanding girlfriend go come steal thief later. But things don't start out. I go try the laugh. Oh, I be first class graduate. I collect first class for uni in a plane sheet. But look at my life now. I can't even afford first class ticket in a plane seat. On a go clap for there. No time. I come to advise federal government. Make una listen to me. Federal government, make una try increase police salary. People they pass through a lot. How police salary, sir, go they share bragging rights with the price of bag of rice? Months don't end. They don't pass salary now. Only one bag of rice if you afford. How I want to buy ingredients? We were innocent for street now. Then they arrest us for anything. On Friday, police carry me now. Me when the verse we come back from chasing match where we still lose. They carry me. I say officer waiting happen. Say I pay 20k. Say you don't buy rice, now ingredients remain. Say if I don't pay, go carry me go station. Say if you carry me go station, now that one was pass. The DPO one buy goods. Then go slaughter me as a goods. For waiting now. Now I advise all the young boys in this house, listen to me. If you want to do sugar mommy for Lagos, try the do am for Island. Sugar mom in only island they work on VI, Lekki and Ikoyi. Now so I broke last month. I can't call person say I beg link me up with sugar mommy. Of all places, this guy get mine link me with sugar mommy for Yanapaja. Papa, I don't call this woman. As I call her, I say, what's your name? I say, my name is Bright. I'm a comedian, Burna Mouse. They link me to you for a relationship. For the first time for my life, who's up? I expect to be woman. Come answer me. Say, okay, my name is Elizabeth. You can start coming. Eh? The guy will link me say, I don't be gay. Who you link me to? He say, man, they go. The woman, they responsible. I go. I don't reach an apology. You know, say, one devil one punish you, go be like saying, God one bless you. I don't reach an apology on that bridge. This woman, of all cars to turn up with, she turn up with Sienna. She said, make her enter. Mumu, me, I suppose, guess it's a family woman. She don't carry me riches. Ladies and gentlemen, the worst sexual style to do na BDSM. This woman don't tell me say she like BDSM. Say me they tie my hand. Before I know, she don't carry handcuff come outside. She don't tie my right hand, enter for wall. I say, Mama, what did they happen? He said, her sexual style. He said she didn't like her. Sex no style. We never even do anything. I don't come out trouser. One of my right hand tie. They don't give me sign. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for yourself once more. I do this and I sign out. For this Lagos, for this full Nigeria, only 3 people they happy. One now Odumeje. Second person a very dark man. Third person an NSPPD family. What God cannot do does not. Thank you very much. That's my time. My name is Burna.
The Chronicles of Ushbebe live in Lagos. Yadadi 25.